They called her Mriya. In Ukrainian, it means the dream, but to the world she was a flying colossus, a marvel of man's reach for the skies and proof that the impossible could take flight. With 6 thunderous engines and wings wider than a football field, she wasn't just the largest aircraft ever built, she was history etched in titanium and fire. A sky titan that could carry space shuttles on her back, yet glide with the grace of an eagle. Only one was ever made. That's because legends aren't mass-produced. She didn't just carry cargo, she carried hope, wonder, and the spirit of human ambition. Wherever she landed, crowds gathered, eyes lifted, hearts soared, because Mriya reminded us that the sky is not the limit, it is just a starting point. But then she fell, not to age nor time, but to war. Silenced, shattered, and gone. Yet a dream never truly dies. Not when millions still remember the sound of her engines like thunder from the heavens. She must be rebuilt, not for pride, not for records, but for what she represents. Unity in engineering, peace through progress, and the undying power of dreams. Mriya must be rebuilt so the next generations can look up and believe again, because some dreams are too big to be left grounded. If you want the return of Mriya, share this video and comment. Rebuild Mriya in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating aviation updates.